Guys, I never thought I would see the day. My conspiracy palette. The mini. Alright, let's do this. We're gonna need a knife. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's Shane and Jeffree. Oh my god. Girl. We gotta do this in the light, because this is just too much. Alright guys, let's do this. Oh my god. Got the mini conspiracy. Oh my god. Oh yeah. Oh my god. I've been waiting for this forever now. Let's do this. Oh my god, this packaging though. You can't feel it, but it feels so nice. Oh my god, what? Oh my god, finally. I've been waiting forever for this. Look at that shine. Ugh. God. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. It's so beautiful.